for joining me. Today I'm showing you the Hip Kit Club February kit, starting out with the main kit. Excuse my little dog, she's doing neighborhood watch. So this is the Carta Bella Flower Market Ephemera pack that has 33 pieces. And then we have the Pinkfresh Studio Everyday Musings chipboard frames, and this one has 24 pieces. The next piece is a chipboard phrases from Carta Bella's Flower Market. That one doesn't say how many pieces it has, but it has quite a few. Then we have the Joyful Day by Pinkfresh Studios Alpha stickers, and they're puffy stickers. There's 222 pieces. Absolutely love this color, and I love the font. Can't wait to play with these. The next piece is the Pinkfresh Studios Joyful Day Mixed Embellishment Pack. There's 38 pieces. And now I'm going to show you the paper, which the first one is the crepe paper La La Love blush. And the back has those beautiful rainbow type colors. This piece is a Hip Kit Club exclusive called All My Heart, designed by Kimberly Hutchinson. And the back is a pretty sky blue. The next piece is from Flower Market by Carta Bella by Flower Market, or rather, Carta Bella made the Flower Market, and I can't wait to fussy cut those pretty flowers. They're so pretty. They almost look like they're watercolored. Now, this is one of my favorite papers because there's so much going on. Simple Pleasures by Joyful Day, or Joyful Day is the collection, sorry about that, by Pinkfresh Studios, and the back has this pretty green little branches. The next one is also from Pinkfresh. It's also from the Joyful Day collection, and it's called Big Ideas. Absolutely love that background. That's probably one of my favorite colors. The next one is the Carta Bella Flower Market, and this one's called Garden Floral. And again, those flowers just call my name, and they want me to fussy cut them. This is the Out and About by Pinkfresh, and this is the adventure page. Then we have Carta Bella's Flower Market, and it has the beautiful cut aparts, and this one's called Multi-Journaling Cards. So pretty. And the last piece of paper is also from the Pinkfresh Studios Joyful Day collection, and it's called Perfect Moments. It has those pretty frames that can be fussy cut and these beautiful blue, like tealy blue leaves. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the Hip Kit Club's. This is the Project Life or Pocket Page, or however you want to call it, collection, and or kit rather, and this is the Carta Bella Flower Market. That was the tape. Then we have the Carta Bella Flower Market decorative brads, and there are plus 4 chipboard pieces. Then we have the Pinkfresh Studios Joyful Day puffy stickers. There's 28 pieces in that one. The next one is the Joyful Day paper clips. There's 6 of them. They're like plastic, they're hard plastic, and the colors are just so pretty. The next one is the Pinkfresh Studios Joyful Day cardstock stickers, and there's 47 pieces in this sticker pack. And then we have the Pinkfresh Studio Joyful Day mini puffy alpha stickers. This is probably like any alpha sticker lover's dream. There's 466. It's basically a double 2 pages of double pack of alpha stickers. So next I'm going to show you the 3x4 cards, and as you're looking at those, the alpha cards come with 18 3x4 cards and 6 4x6 cards. These are exclusive exclusive Hip Kit Club product. You will not find these anywhere else. and they're made to totally mix and match with every piece of paper or every embellishment along all the different kits. They also have a color kit, and they also have a paper kit, and they also have a cardstock kit. This month I only ended up buying the main kit, the Project Life kit, and I'll shortly, in a couple minutes, show you the embellishment kit. So as we're wrapping up here with the 3x4 cards, I have to tell you, you don't know how exciting it is to receive one of these kits every month. You do the subscription with the 3x4 with the main kit or the Project Life, and then you can add on all the other kits. Check them out. They're at www.hipkitclub.net. I'll have a link in my descriptions. By no means am I making this video out of any type of financial gain. I buy this kit and pay full price for it. So I am just showing you something that I absolutely love, and I think that that you'd love it too. So as we're wrapping up here, these are the 4x6 cards. The next thing I'm going to show you is the embellishment kit. And the first thing up are these La La Love crepe paper shaker stickers, and they're, as you can see, they have glitter in them, and they're like shaker cards or shaker stickers. Then we have the Pinkfresh Studios Joyful Day banner stickers, and they have 6. Next is Crate Paper's La La Love puffy stickers, and there's 10 stickers in that pack. Then we have this Pinkfresh Studios Joyful Day puffy phrase stickers, and there's 38 pieces, and these are great for titles. They also have some other little icons like stars and flowers, and then the last piece is the Pinkfresh Studios Joyful Day Ephemera pack, and there's 49 pieces in this pack. So again, visit them at hipkitclub.net. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. You'll be getting a link, and I hope you have a great day.